The state of Maine is increasing its capacity to help people in crisis. So this morning I got a tour of Spurwink's Living Room Crisis Center. It's a receiving center. It's a place where people, regardless of what level of crisis they're in, can come in, speak with a counselor, and then they can kind of determine what type of treatment or help they need once they come in. Spurwink, who runs that center, was just awarded a grant to open up one of these centers in Lewiston. And this is a big deal because these centers essentially act as an intermediary, a bridge that fills a gap between people who are in crisis, a mental health crisis, using substances, whatever, either going to jail or ending up in the hospital emergency room. Neither of those, Spurwink says, are really conducive to these people growing, getting treatment that they need to actually help them not keep using substances, help them get housed, etc. And so this model in Portland is really the pilot model for the rest of these centers that are hopefully going to get built across the state. They have individual counseling rooms. They also have places for people to sleep. They have lockers so that people can keep their belongings. If they have things that they're not allowed to bring in, something that might be sharp, something that might hurt somebody, they can keep them in a locker. They don't really lose access to them the way that they might either at the jail or at a hospital emergency room. They also have a pharmacy on site. So people who are going through a medication course, whether it be for hepatitis C or even something as simple as antibiotics to get them healthy, there's a pharmacy right there. They can distribute these kind of like punch packs. This is a fake one. It has a bunch of little M&Ms inside, but it's meant to show people can have their medications for a week at a time, and if they lose it or it gets stolen out on the street, then they haven't lost their entire month's supply. This type of center, this is the model, this is the one that's coming to Lewiston, and something that people in the city of Lewiston say is desperately needed.